Meaning of Edward Lear.
Edward Lear.
Edward Lear.
Edward Lear.
Edward Lear. Edward Lear was a British artist, illustrator, and writer known for his humorous and nonsense poetry and his detailed illustrations of birds and landscapes. He is best known for his book, The Owl and the Pussycat, and his poem The Jumblies. Born in 1812, he worked as a traveling artist and was also a tutor to Queen Victoria. His works have inspired many generations and continue to be beloved by readers of all ages. Overall, Edward Lear is a prominent figure in British literature and art history.